Right, volume.
Headphones want to be warned.
So as I extend the gun, I'm going to talk you through what I see.
Okay.
As I extend the gun, my finger's going to go on the trigger, and I'm going to prep the trigger. I'm going to take up the slack. Okay, that's where you finalize your aiming. And then when you're ready, you're going to gently press, gun goes off.
Okay.
Your grips and your posture are going to fight the recoil. Don't add anything extra. Okay. If you do too much work, the shooting goes.
Okay.
So 2 rounds, I'm going to extend the gun. I see the dot, fingers prepped on the trigger as I press. Okay, 2 rounds, finger comes off the trigger, and I relax.